Hello, friends. I'm back. So, today's topic for discussion is confidence. Some of us might feel that we are less confident while speaking to anyone. For example, if you're going on a street and someone is sitting on your two wheeler, are you hesitant or do you feel awkward for telling them to get away from your vehicle so that you can take out the vehicle and go? Or maybe someone has taken up your seat in a restaurant. Do you feel awkward to let them know that this was supposed to be your place and you were supposed to sit there? These small things are nothing but lack of confidence. So that comes when you are not uh, you know you feel less of yourself. So the first thing to any conversation is be confident. So if you are speaking in English, be confident even if it is wrong. I have seen some people who are like really learning English, but they try to speak in English so confidently that the other person just cannot find any flaw in their communication. So confidence is the key to success. Even if you do I won't say wrong things, but some things confidently, the other person will automatically gain their respect and their confidence on you. So first of all, whenever you are stuck in a situation where you feel awkward or less confident, always try to think one thing in life: the other person is also a human being. That person is not god or some great person. Even if someone is filthy rich, it's okay. That person is a human being. Does not mean that you are somewhere less. No, you're not. So how to build confidence? So the first step of building confidence is practice. You need to know knowledge, and you just believe in yourself. Just say to yourself daily, I'm good enough, I'm perfect. Even if I make mistakes, I'm perfect. I've stuck in some situations wherein people have said so many demeaning words, so many bad uh, statements to me, that it was really, my mind was shattered. I was feeling nowhere. I was feeling so low because they were blaming me for something for which I am not. So then one fine day I just sat down and I thought about myself, that am I really that person they're claiming to be? So the answer is no, I'm not. You need to know that you are not a bad person. You are not a bad human being, or you have not done anything wrong. And even if you have done anything wrong, so be it. We are human beings, and we need to know that human beings make mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to be wrong. There is nothing wrong in it. We are evolving. We are learning every day. We come out of our comfort zone. When we do that, we understand that it's okay to go wrong. It's okay to not understand things. It's okay not to know English. If someone is demeaning you or saying bad words on your English speaking, just tell them I'm learning, and it's okay. Just shut their mouth. Try to stop the other person if they are wrong. Just trust me on this. This is the key to self evolvement. When you are self evolving, when you have confidence on yourself, you will automatically shut the other person down, that no, boss, this is wrong. I am not like this. When I did that, I have created many enemies, but then today I'm happy. I know what I am. And when the other person comes to you on the same page, these are my rules, these are my ground rules, and I am not going to compromise on any less. I know my worth, I know what I am, I know how to go for it, and that so be it. And it also comes into picture when you are a working professional. do not do not listen to your boss uh, in a blank manner, or just for the sake of job. No, when things are wrong, you need to raise your voice. When things are not correct, you need to let them know that no, boss, this is not correct, this is wrong. You have to stand up for few things which are not right. You need to raise your voice. If you don't, then your character automatically becomes such that you are taken for granted. People will assume that it's okay to behave in any manner with that person. Don't be that person. you know a good ethical human being is always appreciated. Ethics means what? Someone who stands by what is right and raises voice when it's things are going wrong. I remember in my office I stood up for something which was wrong according to me, and everyone in my team was against me, everyone. And that was a very crucial time for me, because I thought that this is right. Even my manager was against me. So for me it was a very hard time. But then later on, after the issue was resolved, I was right, because I stood up for what I thought was right. And automatically everyone understood that my point was correct, and whatever they said was not on the same page of what I was in. So it's okay. It's okay to go wrong. It's okay to not understand things. It's okay to have less confidence or lack in something. We are human beings. We don't know many things. There are so many people who do not know anything, but their confidence level is so high that the way they speak, it's like, wow, that person knows everything. But when you go into depth, you understand that, oh my god, that person is like nowhere to our knowledge also. So understand one thing: be confident while speaking. Even if it is wrong, go wrong. Let the other person correct you. There is nothing wrong when the other person corrects you. That means you are progressing. When someone corrects me, even I go on social media, I go to places, meet people correct me, I take that positively. You need to take things positively when you are somewhere less. But when things are right and you think that things are right, you need to be very confident. You need to stand up for yourself. Standing up for yourself means what? This is what I know, this is what I know is correct, and I'll stand by it. Even if the whole world is against you, let them go. Let them go. You will understand true colors of other person when you will go against something. Always understand one thing: when you are for any situation or any people, when you say yes on everything, people will say, oh, that person is really very nice. But when you just go against them in any one situation, you are the villain. Just remember this. You might have come across this situation also, that when you're going against something, people just within a fraction of second they will go against you. And that's fine, that's okay. you know I have stood up for something which I thought was right, and my whole relatives, whole family was against me. And that took a big, big troll on me. As in, I was really devastated. I felt very low. I felt very underconfident. But then later on, I got a confirmation from someone that you are on a correct lines. You are on correct lines, and you're doing something right. So just continue doing that. So the bottom line is, be confident in what you do. Be confident in what you speak. Even if it is wrong, sometimes it's okay to gain your confidence if you go wrong, and if you're confident on even what is wrong, is fine. Just to increase your confidence level, if you think something is right, stand for it. Don't go just like that, or don't say yes on things which people think is right. Crowd, a lion always stands alone, remember one thing. And sheeps are always in crowd. So be a lion, be a tigress, be a tiger of your life, be a positive person which will create charm. And when your words will have that impact on others, you will automatically become famous. People will understand you, or whenever people will talk about you, they will say, oh, that person is always right, huh? Whatever that person says is never wrong, and he or she stands for what he says. So if you are uh, saying something that I'll be there by 10 a.m., be 5 minutes before, on time or before time, in that place for which you have given commitment. This will create a great impact on what you speak, what you do. When it matches, your confidence level increases, people will admire you, people will like you for what you are, and they will understand one thing, that this person is really really very precise, and very confident. Confidence comes with self assurance. What is self assurance? So self assurance is nothing but, you need to remind yourself daily, you are perfect, you are nice, you are a great person, you know everything. And if even if you don't know anything, I'll learn, I'll just grow. Humans are a species which are meant to grow each and every day. They are meant to evolve. They are meant to know new things. I have attended several thousands of courses. People ask me, why do you do so? But for me, knowledge is something I like to gain. I like to gain new topics, I like to understand new things, I like to go through things which are very helpful to me to understand and grow in life. Even though I am from an IT background, I always try to search things on energy healing, on some DIYs, how to do things your way. Then I do courses on some technical stuff, I do courses on some personal level stuff, some some courses related to how to be a good person, how to energy how to heal others energies, how to do meditation. So there are so many topics in this world. Try to learn new things. Learning new things will give you tremendous confidence, trust me on this. When you gain knowledge, you will have another level of confidence, because you will speak on that topic with your knowledge base. When you'll speak with your knowledge base, and that knowledge has a solid proof, you will be at another level. You will feel so nice about yourself. And when whatever you say is correct, people will cross confirm it. They will also understand that this person is, whatever this person is speaking is always right, huh? So they will have that confidence in you. I have always observed this in my father. Whatever he says, he does. If he's saying, I will be there at 7 a.m. in the morning, he will be there no matter what. Even if he's not feeling well, even if whatever comes, even if he sleeps at 3 a.m. in the morning, he will be there at 7 a.m. So what happens because of that? People admire him for what he is. People have confidence in him. Whatever happens, people will call my father for things. They will confirm it with my father. So this is discipline. This is gaining of knowledge. He always spreads knowledge for what he knows, and that is why people will have that kind of level of understanding and confidence in him. So understand one thing, gaining knowledge is very important. Understanding and expressing yourself is very important. Even if it is wrong, it's okay to go wrong. Just communicate and let the other person know what you feel. Do not hesitate and step back. No, whatever, I was very underconfident when I was in my childhood. So I never used to express myself, I never used to give opinions. and that has made me so underconfident that I was having problem in speaking in public, speaking to people, giving my opinions. But slowly when I started giving my opinions and understood that it's okay even if your opinion is bad, wrong, does not mean anything, or is very what we call as faltu, it's okay. It's okay, give your opinions, say, speak to other person what you feel. If someone has taken your seat, just speak it out. Whenever I'm traveling for from by aeroplane or by train, it usually happens that people sit in window seat, and they very politely asks you that can you please sit there, can I take your window seat. Just say no. You need to say no when you feel that you don't want it. Just say no. It's okay to say no. Giving that out that no, this is not done, this is my seat, I have paid for it, and I'll be traveling all the way by sitting in the middle. This is not done. This is not done. It's okay, say no. So moral of the story is, speak it out, say things confidently, even if it is wrong or even if it is right. Just say it out. What maximum will happen? People will either step back, step away, or you will get into an argument and resolve it. But then stand for what is right. Standing for what is right is very, very, very important in life. This is kind of mantra to be successful in life. So, speak confidently, say things confidently, and to gain confidence, knowledge is very, very, very important. So always keep reading, always listen to podcasts, always search for videos which will give you knowledge, and because of that you will be another person, you will be at another level. Trust me on this, try to do this, and you will be uh, at another height of success. So that's it for today. Do let me know how do you find this, and do comment, like, and share. I'm here always to help you. Whatever you need, I'll be there. So let's catch up soon. Bye bye.